It's dirt cheap and a huge hit with the public everywhere it comes up for sale. No, it's not cheap. Suit bought the grain sold for 20 pesos a kilo care of the government's 20 Bigas Meron na program. Today, it hit a number of stores in the mega city, which our Mary Vel Custodio enumerates, plus other details in this report.
Buyers for the 20 Bigas Meron na program are delighted in the quality of the National Food Authority rice sold at a cheaper price.
Dati pa po kami pumipila, doon po kay Kampong 29, pumipila po kami. Kasi napakaganda po ng bigas sa 29. Maganda po siya isahin.
Maalsa ba?
Maalsa po.
Okay naman yun, natupad ni Pangulo yung pangako niya sa mga mahihirap.
Marami pong mga bumibili talaga dito bumibili ng ating benteng bigas. So marami po rin nakausap natin at sila po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat of course sa ating pamahalaan, kay Presidente, dahil nga daw po yung kanyang pangako na benteng bigas ay meron na po silang nabili.
The Department of Agriculture Food Terminal Incorporated initially delivered 20 to 30 sacks of 25% broken NFA rice for the pilot implementation of the 20 pesos rice program. Aside from Visayas, 8 Kadiwa ng Pangulo sites will sell the 20 pesos rice in Metro Manila, to include 3 cooperatives in Bulacan and 1 in Oriental Mindoro. And the DA is planning to sell the 20 pesos a kilo of NFA rice in 32 Kadiwa sites this week.
Nung bago po eleksyon, meron po mga naka-order na, sabi nga po sa Cebu, sa Southern Leyte, Siquijor, meron na po silang order nitong ating P20.
The DA assures the public that the expanded sale of 20 pesos NFA rice will not affect the buffer stock supply for calamities. The NFA continues to buy palay or unhusked rice from farmers. The Agriculture Department is looking forward to sell 20 pesos per kilo rice in more than 40 additional locations. The DA is also studying how to implement an application that would serve as a distribution and monitoring system for the rice.
Mas maganda sana kung meron silang talagang kumbaga isang ID na makikita natin o mamonitor natin yung kanilang pagbili ng ating bigas.
The DA is targeting to implement it within the year. From PTV, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.